Hey economics enthusiasts, have you heard of the second best theory? Let's dive into the fascinating concept of the second best theory in economics. In a perfect world, the first best outcome would be achieving ideal conditions in markets without any distortions or failures. However, the real world isn't that simple. The second best theory argues that when there are market failures like monopolies or information asymmetry, fixing just one problem may not lead to the best overall outcome. Why? Because these failures are interconnected, and trying to address one without considering others can backfire. Imagine a situation where the government wants to lower the prices of goods by imposing price controls. Sounds good, right? But if the market already suffers from information asymmetry or supply shortages, the price controls could exacerbate those issues instead of solving them. So, the second best theory reminds us that addressing economic problems requires a holistic approach, considering the complex interplay of factors. It encourages policymakers to carefully balance different market failures to achieve the best possible outcome, given the existing constraints. Join the conversation and let us know your thoughts on the second best theory in the comments below.